And welcome back to a bit of Friday fun. It is the sub 10-minute burger challenge, and today we have
social media sensation, LagomChef!
Martyn!
Martyn, how you feeling?
I'm good, pretty nervous to be fair. I'll be all right,
So, we would like you to create the best burger that you possibly can in under 10 minutes, as quick as you can. You have the standard sorted burger ingredients that we provided, but Martyn's also brought in 3 ingredients from home that he can win as bonus ingredients.
What have you brought in?
Some donuts, a tray of donuts, some bacon and some eggs.
Fantastic. I'm very excited for these.
Okay. Do you need the whole tray or?
We'll wait and see how it goes. Maybe I can bribe you with 1 or 2.
Next up to take on the gauntlet of our 10-minute burger challenge is Martyn O'Dell, better known as LagomChef. He's 36 years old and he comes from Essex, but not the nice part. Yep, his favourite dish is lasagna, and he's known for being a TikTok superstar, fighting food waste, and wearing pyjamas that aren't actually pyjamas, apparently. Anyway, his unique skill is igniting chaos. Honestly, be prepared, this is going to be chaos. Anyway, back to us in the studio for the chaos.
So in order to win your mystery ingredients, Martyn, you're going to have to answer a series of questions. Are you ready?
Yeah, sort of.
Question number 1. By signing up to your newsletter, we get to receive an online recipe book.
Is this a hashtag ad?
Well, for him, apparently, yeah.
Do I have a newsletter?
By signing up to your newsletter, we get to receive an online recipe book with 9 zero-waste recipes to pick from, including vegan, veggie, and meaty recipes. But what is the one fishy recipe that's included?
Oh, God. I'm going to go something with salmon.
That's 1 of 3. Yes.
Can you be more specific?
I can't even remember. I'm going to go salmon with poached eggs and broccoli.
The correct answer was spud, salmon and eggs. Are we going to give that 2 out of 3?
I think we'll give that.
I think we're going to give you that one, okay.
Yeah? Oh!
Martyn, question... Martyn, question number 2. On your TikTok, you revealed how many potatoes are wasted every day in the UK.
Easy.
Can you remember that number? Is it
absolutely.
A, 4.1 million, B, 4.4 million, or C, 4.7 million potatoes?
4.4.
Correct!
Yes!
That's a lot of spuds.
That is a lot of spuds, all in here.
Right.
0 waste.
2 out of 2 so far. Martyn, can you get the 3rd one? Now, when you last came into the Sorted studio to hang out, you and the food team picked up a load of snacks to try from the Tian Tian market. But what was the first spicy snack that you tried?
It was that stick. I would not have a clue how to pronounce it or even say what it is. I'm going to say meaty tongue.
The correct answer is dragon tongue, which, I mean, it's a meaty tongue, so it's 3 out of 3.
Right, let's take the ingredients, get into the kitchen and cook up a burger.
Martyn, how are you feeling?
Very excited.
Okay, right. Get ready to cook. Okay. In 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, so he's gone straight to the donut and then straight to the streaky bacon. Is this smoked or?
I'm not sure.
Okay, so talk us through the donuts and how are you going to use them?
So we're going to use the donuts as the bun. The idea is working that idea of like a bit of sweetness, a bit of cooked bacon.
Yep.
Let's go this one.
Warm bacon.
A bit of cooked bacon, crispy, salty, sweet, lovely.
Nice.
So,
what's your burger techers?
In.
You blinked, you missed it.
Rustic.
Yeah.
Love that.
Keep it a bit of salt. There we go. Lovely jubbly. A bit of oil. Come on. There she is. Right, now we relax. Okay, what's next? It's okay.
You serve portions of bacon like I do.
Yeah, there we go.
This is great.
Right, so that's in. That's doing its thing.
Do you use utensils at all? Or do you
No. Use what God gave you. That's what my mum told me. Right, you're going to put a bit of onion in there. So get this off.
So what are you looking for from the onion? Whereabouts are you going to layer it? How's that going to make a difference?
Okay, so this is going to go fine.
There's a chef in the house, everyone.
Woo!
Yeah!
I've never used this knife before. It gets very nerve-wracking when you use a fresh knife.
Oh, stop looking at me whilst you do it.
Yeah. Right, shuffle those over. Nice
Onions in the pan on the burger. Love it.
Right. And then we're going to dice this bit up because this one's going to go with a bit of Wally for a sauce.
Nice.
Yeah. Okay, he's gonna go in here.
So what's the Wally?
Pickles. How are you going to get the pickles out?
Yeah! Finger them!
So many people have fingered that jar.
You want to have a shot?
Yeah!
No! Let's get all my buns. Oh, they're good. Okay, we're under control. Gonna go in mayonnaise. Spoon. Here we go. I'm gonna use everything.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, everything.
Yes.
Sauce, love it.
Excellent.
Yeah. Eat that. Right. Okay. What else needs to go? A little bit of lettuce, yeah. This is good. Layer that up. He's ready to go in.
Excellent.
What do you look for in a burger? What's it got to do? Texture, flavour?
Imagine if I choked on that.
Kush can just not be trusted.
It's such a loose cannon.
Okay, there's no lid. That's going to go on there.
Great.
Get the beer in there, you know.
Yeah!
There we go.
Eggs.
Yeah, get over, mate.
So eggs in with the bacon.
We're just going to do a little fried egg because I've got the donut. I'm thinking the egg will poke through the hole.
This is great. This is great.
Love this.
Right, they go really soft.
Can I have a donut, please?
I should have cut these before. I didn't really plan this.
You've got time, you've got time.
Go eat the burger.
Don't panic.
Yes. Toast them in the pan.
No, it's okay. Don't panic. They said don't panic. Don't panic. Right. Kush, have a taste. See if it's seasoned. See if it's seasoned.
What's happening?
This has gone haywire.
What's
Okay,
happening?
let's warm this bun up. How did you cut them? Okay, extra pack. We go again.
Yes, nice.
There wasn't enough seasoning. And I didn't like the onions. The onions didn't work, did they? No.
You've got this, Martyn. Come on, mate.
0 way.
Yeah, there we go.
Looking great. Eggs all
Coming together.
It's going to be perfect timing. Block a... Nah.
Right, here we go.
Take two.
So, we learned from my mistakes. I'm not going to cut the bum.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Now we're talking.
And a pokey hole in the egg.
Oh, I should have just been vegan. This would have been way easier.
This is incredible.
I think this might taste insane.
Do we have time?
Over easy.
You have some time, yeah.
Put a lid on it.
All right.
Steam it. Yeah.
Yes.
Wow.
Wow.
Actually looking all right. Come on,
Yeah,
pan.
you've got this.
Come on. Oh, it's popped up. There we go.
Some of that egg is cooked.
Fantastic.
Fine, cover it up with a donut, you'll be fine.
It's still clucking.
I'm just going to perch that on the side just
Yeah,
for now.
nice.
There we go. I need a lay down.
Fantastic job, mate.
Why don't we get that into the sexies and then we'll have a chat about it?
I want to eat it.
Yeah. Yes!
I mean, that is the hottest of messes in a delicious way. How do you feel now?
I'm quite proud. I'm a bit confused.
I'm loving it. It's got steak tartare vibes, you know, with the
Rawness of everything.
I mean, I'm excited for it. I really am. Do you want to cut into it?
I would love to.
And we'll eat it, and you can tell us a little bit about your technique.
What about cutting it?
Oh, look. There we go. I like that the
Great way
whites.
to use a serrated knife as well.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I like the whites
look.
cooked in the residual heat as well.
Yeah, that's what I was aiming for.
So you've let it rest.
Exactly.
Oh,
Yeah,
wonderful.
residual cooking temperature is an important lesson in cooking. There you go. Do you want me to serve you?
No, not at all. But you just eat it.
I mean, I've already tasted this, so
And you know it's fantastic.
absolutely.
This is actually the second burger that you made, isn't it?
Yeah.
I suppose, yeah.
Here we go. Let me feed you.
I think.
Do Do you think I could have a bit of the lid?
You've already got one at the bottom.
What? Is it an open sandwich then?
It's a bit of, yeah. Use that to mop up the mess. I'm going to go in.
That is the most unreal mixture of sweet and savoury.
It's actually really good.
It is really good.
I'm proud of it. I mean, it looks awful.
Yeah, it looks like the dirtiest burger. 3 a.m.
Holy crap.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The burger sauce and the Krispy Kreme combination
It's really good.
is something that I didn't think existed.
Yeah.
And I'm glad it does.
Sweet, sour, salty,
Yeah.
beefy. Egg. Egg.
Is there anything you would have changed if you had your time again?
Absolutely. Quite a lot of things. If we're talking from a chef's background, I mean a lot of things, but flavour-wise, I think lovely. The bacon, I think as well, if I could separate that out, that would have been handy.
Yeah.
The egg would have a bit nicely cooked, and the cheese to be melted.
So most components.
Most components, but yeah.
But the sauce is great.
Work in progress.
Yeah.
I mean, when it all goes in your mouth, which is essentially the point, it's spectacular. Martyn, you can confirm
Yes.
that you passed the time test. You did perform this in under 10 minutes.
Fantastic.
You've passed the taste test because
Yeah.
we have enjoyed it.
Very good.
So the only question left is, what is the exact time that you...
I can feel it in my heart.
What are you going to call it?
I think it's a mouthful.
It's a mouthful.
Great.
It's a
Love that.
It's more than a mouthful, but you know,
Yeah.
little pun in there.
Well, Martyn, LagomChef's It's a Mouthful came in at 8 minutes and 34 seconds.
Solid! I'm happy with that.
Do we have to divide that in two because you made 2 burgers? Or do we,
I mean, essentially, you did make 2 burgers and you ate as you went.
Practice round, taste test. We have to finish this before we leave.
Yeah.
Okay.
Food waste.
Martyn, thank you so much for coming in. That was incredible. If you want to check out Martyn's stuff, it's in the description box down below.
Yes, and please continue to suggest other guests that we should have on the show and give the video a like if you liked it.
What a burger. Oh, what a mouthful.
What a mouthful.
What a mouthful.